Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 2 of Make Money Online Listening to Musics. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over popular platforms for making money by listening to songs, common misconceptions about making money by listening to songs, and success stories of people who have made money through this method. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Success stories of people who have made money through this method. To inspire you and showcase the potential of making money by listening to songs, let's take a look at some success stories of individuals who have achieved significant earnings through this method. Sarah, a college student with a passion for music, joined a popular music reviewing platform during her summer break. She dedicated a few hours each day to listen to songs and provide detailed feedback. Over time, she built a reputation as a reliable and insightful reviewer. As a result, she received more high-paying tasks and even had the opportunity to review songs from well-known artists. By the end of the summer, Sarah had earned over $1,000, which helped her cover her tuition fees for the next semester. John, a music lover and aspiring songwriter, joined a music reviewing platform to gain insights into what makes a song successful. As he listened to and reviewed various tracks, he started to notice patterns and trends in the feedback he received. This knowledge inspired him to write and produce his own songs, incorporating the elements that seemed to resonate with listeners. John's songs started gaining traction and he eventually signed a record deal, turning his passion for music into a full-time career. These success stories demonstrate that making money by listening to songs is not only a fun and enjoyable way to earn extra cash, but also a potential stepping stone to further opportunities in the music industry. Legal considerations and copyright issues. When participating in activities that involve listening to and reviewing songs, it's essential to understand the legal considerations and copyright issues. While platforms typically have agreements in place with artists and labels, it's crucial to respect the intellectual property rights of the songs you're listening to. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. Do not share or distribute songs. The songs you listen to are often pre-release tracks or exclusive content. It's important not to share or distribute these songs without permission, as it may infringe on copyright laws. Keep the song strictly for personal listening and reviewing purposes. Respect confidentiality agreements. Some platforms may require you to sign confidentiality agreements, especially when reviewing unreleased songs. These agreements are in place to protect the artists and labels, and it's important to abide by them. Avoid discussing or leaking any information about the songs you review. Be aware of international copyright laws. If you're participating in music reviewing platforms that operate internationally, it's essential to familiarize yourself with copyright laws in different countries. This will help you ensure that you're complying with the legal requirements and avoiding any potential legal issues. By being mindful of these legal considerations and copyright issues, you can enjoy making money by listening to songs while staying within the boundaries of the law. Other ways to make money online in the music industry. While making money by listening to songs is a unique and enjoyable opportunity, it's not the only way to generate income in the music industry. If you're passionate about music and want to explore more ways to make money online, here are a few additional options. Become a music producer. If you have a talent for producing music, you can create and sell your own tracks online. Platforms such as SoundCloud and Bandcamp allow independent artists to showcase their work and sell their music directly to fans. Start a music blog or YouTube channel. If you have a knack for writing or creating video content, consider starting a music blog or YouTube channel. You can review albums, interview artists, share music recommendations, and even monetize your content through ads or sponsorships. Offer music lessons online. If you're skilled in playing an instrument or have a strong musical background, you can offer music lessons online. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell online courses, reaching a global audience of aspiring musicians. Become a session musician. If you're a talented instrumentalist or vocalist, you can offer your services as a session musician online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect musicians with artists and producers who are looking for specific musical skills. These are just a few examples of many ways you can make money online in the music industry. Explore your interests and skills, and you'll find endless opportunities to turn your passion for music into a source of income. Tools and resources to help you get started. To help you get started on your journey of making money by listening to songs, here are some useful tools and resources. Music reviewing platforms. Research and sign up for reputable music reviewing platforms such as Slice the Pie, Music X-Ray, and Hit Predictor. Read reviews and compare the features and compensation structures to find the best fit for you. Music discovery platforms. Discover new music and expand your knowledge by exploring platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. These platforms can help you stay up to date with the latest releases and provide inspiration for your reviews. Online communities. Join online communities and forums dedicated to music reviewing and the music industry. These communities can provide valuable insights, tips, and support from like-minded individuals. Music production software. If you're interested in creating your own music, invest in music production software such as Ableton Live, Logic Pro, or FL Studio. These tools will help you bring your musical ideas to life and elevate your skills as a producer. Remember, the key to success in any online money-making venture is dedication, consistency, and a genuine passion for the subject matter. With the right mindset, tools, and resources, you can turn your love for music into a rewarding online income stream. Conclusion: making money online by listening to music is a fantastic way to combine your passion for music with a money-making opportunity. Whether you're a music enthusiast looking to earn extra cash or an aspiring artist seeking insights into the industry, this method offers a fun and accessible pathway. By joining reputable music reviewing platforms, providing valuable feedback, and staying consistent, you can not only earn money but also contribute to the growth of artists and labels. Remember to approach this opportunity with realistic expectations, respect copyright laws, and explore other ways to make money online in the music industry. So grab your headphones, tune in to your favorite tracks, and start earning today. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.